For our demo for mobile point of sale, we will be using a Motorola MC75 and a Zebra RW220 printer. The device and the printer are connected through Bluetooth, but they can also be connected via Wi-Fi. Any printer can be used. I'm going to go ahead and log in. This login is being authenticated against the current enterprise point of sale system. What's different about Global Bay is that we are backend agnostic, more specifically point of sale agnostic. Here's a customer lookup screen. I can either look up my customer and add items to my customer's profile, or I can skip this screen and go right into entering items. Let's go ahead and select our customer. Now I can begin scanning items. Each scan is authenticated against your backend system. This is not an individual credit card processing unit. This is tied into your backend and can be monitored just as any other cash register. As you can see, we have options to add coupons, enter multiple quantities, voids, do an item lookup, and even manually enter your SKU numbers. When I click the payment button, I can click on the credit card button to then swipe my credit card. Then I can pick up my printer with a mag stripe reader and swipe my American Express credit card, and it'll print out a receipt. This first receipt is my copy. Once I click OK, I'll receive another receipt for the customer to sign. And there my transaction is complete. Now I'll show you a suspend and retrieve transaction. Again, I can enter my customer name. I can scan some items. And now suppose I want to use debit, but this printer does not accept debit. I can click on the payment button, click on suspend, and the printer will print out a receipt with a barcode on it. This barcode can then be taken to a point of sale register and be scanned to retrieve the transaction. Let's pretend that this handheld is a register. I can go ahead, scan the barcode, my items come up again. I can then go ahead and swipe my debit card or even pay with cash at the cash register. It asks me to swipe my card. And once the receipts are printed, my transaction will be complete. And there you go. There's a mobile point of sale application from Global Bay.